everyone, welcome back to the channel. Also, welcome back to Fireworks Mania. Finally, I have some time to record a Fireworks Mania video. Again, it has been busy in this week. It has been busy this whole week. I actually I promised to the Matrix guy. He contacted me on a YouTube video, last YouTube video I think there was. I believe there was a Fireworks Mania video too, I believe. Yeah, I promised him that I try to do it this week. Yeah, almost did it, but I just couldn't make it. But here it is, so he's probably gonna be happy nonetheless. We got a very simple video because we only have three firework boxes today. It's all in German for the shoes. Yeah, shoes. Yeah, so we got 40, 30, and it's not even a full number. It's 49. 49? What? Why not just 50? Why 49? You know, it's made by, who's that? FusionFireworks. We made the best fireworks. Sure you do. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Of course we're gonna make it dark. But we are in the city of, this is Keltasar, and this is a, was it downtown? I don't even know what the name was. I believe it was that now. And you can see here, who's your fist? Find it and eat it. That's so wrong. You know, I didn't even I didn't see all these ads that are in this city because I was just making the intro. I don't want to see everything before I'm gonna record. Obviously, sunglasses. Wow. And the dress just 20. Oh, it's pounds, so it's pretty. That's pretty expensive. Okay, reach for the sky. And what's that? The Kung Fu Studio, right? Okay, makes sense, right? And this is there are signs that are in different languages everywhere. So this is basically used. So what? So that's like Spanish, and then there's Chinese. You know, it's very complicated walking in the city, right? It's very weird, very weird. You can't walk there? Just walking here is just making you very confused. Also, there's an English phone booth, or telephone. Yeah, it's a mix of everything, I guess. Exit to street? Like, what? You get attacked by a hawk? Okay, well, you know, whatever. Or you can take the blue pill. Okay. Or you can take my decision. The red pill. To make? It's your decision to make. If you want to stay in reality. What? What do you mean by that? You want to stay in the Matrix. What do you mean by that? Reality? What? You can just choose whatever you want. You know? Okay. Well, whatever. You can just choose whatever you want. This Matrix is so confusing. Reality, or just stay in the Matrix. Right? It's your choice. Choose whatever. Okay. Don't choose anything. Choose whatever. Okay. Well. Okay. I need to make a decision. Then I need to choose anything. Then I'm out of here. Where are you going? People these days, man. Where are you going? Wow. Well, I know what that was. But whatever. Okay. Wow, that was weird. Let's just move on to the video. Also, what is that? Why do you even want to pass someone over here? You know, it's just too dangerous. Okay. And also, why are there two signs that says you need to go to the right, and then there's still there's an arrow on the road that you can also go for, you can just go and you can cross the cross-section. Okay. Very confusing city. I don't know, but let's make it dark. Let's just start up on this Matrix. Back. Here we go. Beautiful. Alright, let's start with the first one. Let's see what the order is. It's the 40, so it's this one. Let's start with the 40 shoes. Here we go. I really want to know what this is. This is obviously a very new modder. I think it's a new modder. He just reached out to me. So here we go. Really wonder what's gonna do. Is it on? I have no idea. Is it on? No? I hope it's not broken. I hope it's not. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, that's a very loud fuse. Okay, here we go. Oh! 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 Oh, not bad. Ooh, this is changing color. Hey, not bad at all, actually. Right? Ooh, and turns into red. Nice, so those were 40. Oh! Whoa! Nice. Yeah, there's like not really like a large dynamic in every shot. So every shot is like basically the same. And if you play like with MST's fireworks, there's always like there's some dynamic in everything. You know, it's a little straight, but hey, not bad. Not bad for definitely a. I think he's a amateur like modder, so it's definitely not bad. I'm not a modder at all, so you know, who am I to say? But I do really like the. I really like the top here. I really like that. It kind of looks like a box of like there's ammunition in there. Oh, it's like a really late fuse. Interesting. Here we go. 30 shoes. Ooh. Okay. Alright. I do like the brakes. They're a little stiff. If you know what I mean. But hey, it's really nice. Still, it's good. You know, there are some mods out there. It's like, you know, we don't need that. It's or too flashy, or it's too loud, or just the sound is just bad. But this is pretty good. I really like the echo. You hear that? It's like slowly fades away. Really good. It's always reduce speed, and then it's in Arabic or whatever. So confusing. Alright, next one. We got 49. Thunderstorm. Actually, haven't said all the names, I think. Or were they just... Oh, yeah. So we got Elysium and Inferno. And Thunderstorm, sorry. Okay, here we go. So it's 1 times Enzunden? You know, and I can even try. It's 30 millimeters. Damn. Okay, so this is a big one. 49. It's not even an even number, but... Oh! Oh! Oh, it's just a banger. And that 49 shoes. Not bad, so loud. Really loud. Hey, not bad at all. Nice and loud. Definitely a little slow, could definitely go a little faster, you know, would be nicer, but maybe there's a finish. Maybe? Oh yeah. Okay, alright. Ooh, the echo goes really far. Very, very, very well. Very well done. Is it a word? I don't know. Now we're obviously gonna put everything at once. We're just gonna do 2 of each. Alright, here we go. So we got 2 of everything. So we got the Elysium. I'm just gonna say it one more time so you guys, you know. It's not a true fireworks brand. Okay, so this is like someone made this, it's not existing. Okay. So that if we're clear about that. Inferno, and we got the Thunderstorm. Alright, let's do this one. Here we go. Let's start with that one. Oh, is it too slow? The rocket? I think it is. Oh, yeah. So you can really hear that there is the sound is a little repeating. You can hear it. But hey, the effects are really good. Nice. Yeah, so they're really timed together really well. Obviously because all the shots are really close together. 40, 30, and let's say 50, 49. Damn it. Hate it. It's not good. Just make 50 out of that, please. I don't care. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the Matrix. What's that? Okay. Yeah. So just a quick review. Like, it's good. What's on the back? Oh, it's on German. Okay. Yeah. It's category what? F3. Oh, okay. So it's very, very not loud in here. Definitely not in the Netherlands. No, it's not. Okay, quick review. Hey, like, for a simple mod, the effects are good. The flashes are not too bright. It's not too loud. The sound is not bad. The sound, like, it fades really well. The echo on the background is really good. So that definitely matters. The sound really, really, really matters. And I really like the difference in like the loudness. So that the 49. There's the thunderstorm. I really like the loudness in that one. You know, it's like there's a small crackle in there. Yeah, really, really nice. I like it. It's good. You know, it's good. Just for a more amateur kind of mod, it is a good mod. Definitely. Yeah, I like it. I see you guys in the next video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it. It really helps the video out to put it out there. And don't forget to subscribe to see more. I will try to get some more teardown in there again. Yeah, I will try. I have so many videos also for Minecraft, some ideas, so we'll probably get working on that. So I see you guys in the next one. I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.